Hi everyone, my name is Maryam Zoweil. I'm a former youth council member with EcoRise and now a current board member. EcoRise played such a huge role in inspiring my current career journey, and I'm grateful to still be a part of this community today. This clip is from my recent speech where I shared how EcoRise has fortified my journey to becoming a sustainability professional and why supporting young people with real-world learning matters so much, especially today.
Starting high school, I was like, I need something to apply what I'm learning in the classroom outside of the classroom. That feeling of being lost kind of was lifted off my shoulders when I finally discovered EcoRise's Austin Youth Climate Equity Council, and that program was really incredible because I got to sit alongside students from all over the city and talk to them about their different lived experiences and meet with climate justice leaders and get to actually work on them with designing solutions to problems instead of just writing essays about them. So these opportunities really helped me see the relevance of what I was learning in the classroom outside, and it turned me from that disengaged, bored learner at school to one that was actually excited to go so I could get and collect information in the classroom and then go outside into my community. And it wasn't just a program that EcoRise providing, but it was actually also making a more exciting future imaginable. But I also can't help but think about there are students out there that we weren't able to accept, let's say in the Austin Youth Climate Equity Council, or maybe weren't able to fund because EcoRise can only say yes to as many students as resources allow. Your support, it's not just about funding a program, it's also about making sure that the next student that goes on Google searching for an opportunity that's accessible and free can actually find it. Let's make sure that the next group of students that goes online and tries to find an opportunity has a place to land and a place to lead.